Today we're going to show you how to download and install Office 365. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi or any other internet connection you may have. Then go open up your favorite web browser. Today we're going to use Safari. We're going to go to the website office.com. Once there, you're going to select sign in and then enter your Seton Hill username and your or email address. Going to click next. Enter your Seton Hill password. This is your MyShoe password. Click sign in. Say sign in. That's your preference. You can either do that or not. I'm going to select yes. Okay, then in the top right corner, you're going to select install Office. From there, click Office 365 apps, and it'll start downloading in the background. If you want to see the progress, you can click on the little button here with the little arrow. It says show downloads, and it'll tell you how long it's going to take. Depending on your internet connection, this will be usually anywhere from a minute to 10 or 15 minutes. Again, it's based on your internet connection. Okay, it's done downloading, so just double click on that file and start the install process. Okay, now you'll get the message, welcome to Microsoft Installer, just like the screen says. Okay, continue. And user license agreement, go ahead and read that if you want to, otherwise just say continue. Again, it's just acknowledge that you read it, so hit agree. And you want to make sure install for all users of this computer is selected and hit continue. And just giving you a message on how long or how much space it will take. Go ahead, or if you want to change your install location, you can. I recommend not. Just click install. Then it's going to ask you for a password. I have a password set on my laptop with my fingertip, so I'm just going to select that. And it should start installing for you shortly. I'm going to go ahead and close these other windows behind. I noticed the install time says about 37 minutes. That's not usually accurate. Usually it's a lot faster than that, depending on the speed of the computer and so on. And now our Office 365 is installed. Go ahead and click close. Then you can move that installer to the trash. You won't need it again. Okay, then to test it, we recommend hitting Command Space, but if you received an auto update message, you should do that first. If you click this little arrow right next to the update, it'll show you what updates are available. Go ahead and click Update All. Okay, then once that's done, if you hit Command Space, it'll allow you to search for something. Go ahead and open up Word. We'll just type in Word there and hit Enter. Okay, now since I'm already signed in, it's automatically going to detect me. It's giving you a message about the Microsoft Update Assistant. Go ahead and click Open. And you're all set to begin. So just click blank document. And we recommend you check and make sure there's any updates out for Office to go ahead and install those. So if you click the Help button, and then click Check for Updates, and then click Open. And you go out and check for updates, and right now we are up to date. So you can go ahead and close that out and start using Word. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the Solution Center at 724-830-1805. Thank you and have a great day.